guys? Antonio back, Howl and Hammer. Thanks for joining me once again. So listen, I just wanted to share this project that I just finished. This is a shore town, Avalon, New Jersey. We redid the laundry room facility area. You know, what a great upgrade, I gotta tell you. You know, this is a newer home. So what we did is we put, you know, obviously front loaders in. We put a high top countertop to accommodate to the loaders. High top cabinets, all custom made. Did some shelves here with a bat board on the back, or a shiplap board rather. I'm gonna bring you inside to show you. We put some shelves back here. Really great addition to this laundry room. It makes it look really beautiful. It's on the first floor as soon as you come in the house. Really convenient. But I just, you know, if you can do something like this, this is just a great upgrade. I mean, it's like having a showroom as your laundry room, right? So let's show you guys around a little bit. It's not real big, but I just kind of want to get you guys to get a feel of see how we did this with what we had to work with. All right, let's show you around. Here we go, guys, girls. We put some shelves in right here. There's your shiplap board back there. We still got the paint buckets here. The painters left not too long ago. Here you go. You can kind of get a perspective. We did a beautiful mosaic floor tile here that the owner picked, so you can get a general idea. What I did was I hid the water lines here. I'm going to show you right now. Taco, you want to do the honors? So this box comes off. There's your water lines and your drain line right there. Real accessible, so if you need to shut them off. Stainless steel lines, which I always talk about. Just goes back on like that. Yeah, great addition, right, guys? What do you think, Taco? He seems to approve of everything right here. So, yeah, guys, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to kind of show you this really cool project. I'm kind of proud of it because I think it's really awesome to modernize and utilize a space that you use so often in the house. One of the main facilities is your laundry room. So I won't keep on gabbing here. But listen, have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe. Love you guys, and we'll see you on the next adventure, right? Let's say goodbye. What do? We do pause up, right? See you guys.